Welcome to Safe Site Group in Melbourne. We offer home building scaffolds, two-plank, guard-rail solutions and more. We focus on domestic scaffolding solutions specifically designed to keep your home building project safe and efficient. Our high-quality scaffolding provide a stable and secure platform for all your construction needs. Engineered for maximum safety and ease to manage and install, our scaffolds ensure your project runs smoothly. For added stability and versatility, our two-plank solutions are perfect for a wide range of tasks. Whether you're painting, installing or performing general repairs, our two-plank scaffolds offer the support you need. Safety is also essential. Our guard rails provide essential edge protection, preventing falls and enhancing overall building site safety. Easy to install and remove, our guard rails ensure a secure working environment at all times. At Safe Site Group, we customize our scaffolding solutions to fit your domestic project requirements. Our team of experts provide advice, design, setups and ensure first-class installation. With our commitment to safety, reliability and exceptional service, you can certainly trust Safe Site Group to deliver the scaffolding solutions for a successful project. Secure your building site with Safe Site Group scaffolds, two-plank solutions and guard rails. Contact Brad on 0405 454 361 or come online to www.safesitegroup.com.au today to learn more. Safe Site Group, building safely, together.